Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this 18 sheet cross-cut shredder. The box, let's get digging. Alright guys, so it's definitely a nice looking unit. It has wheels to roll and move it around. Looks wide enough for cardboard. Touch to turn it on and off. Let's see how this opens. So guys, to open it, you just pull the tray open. Very nice. Not sure. And you can, go down normal. So let's test this out. All right, here we go. Well, that worked. Actually works pretty well. Let's see what happens if it's too big. This ought to be good. Oh wow, even if it's too big, it just bends it and pulls it right down in. My goodness. Look at that. Just eats it. And there you go. Cardboard, no problem. So guys, I'm giving this a high rating. I'm very happy. So guys, another update here. This thing is an absolute monster. This thing is amazing. I mean, whatever you're doing, if it's paper or cardboard, I mean, look at this. This is a monster. So we've been doing it non-stop straight, almost have the thing filled up, and it's continued to work flawlessly. I've even double layered, let me show you guys here, like this, folded cardboard. Watch this guys, you just push it down and let it do its thing. And even folded cardboard shreds. Keep in mind, paper is shredded much finer than this. It's just cardboard. And even that's really fine for just cardboard. Not a problem, guys.